In this book we're going to look at an older build first, an old Dell Dimension 2400. A lot of things have changed since the Dell Dimension. IDE changed to SATA, Molex changed to SATA Power. And these old CRT monitors that were once thought to be state-of-the-art have become so obsolete that people can't even give them away anymore. In the second part of this book we're going to look at a brand new build. It's going to be an AMD Phenom 2 Black Edition. Gigabyte motherboard with 8 gigs of RAM and onboard video. By the time you have finished this book, I'm hoping you will have the basic understanding and terminology used to move forward with your own creations. Thank you for your time and enjoy the book.